Amazon is an excellent place to snag Black Friday deals, and that includes automotive parts, tools, and accessories. In addition to carrying a deep inventory of specific auto components, it also offers ancillaries, including detailing supplies, tire inflators, and even garage door openers. Here are some of the best tool and accessory Black Friday deals from Amazon, many of which also extend to Cyber Monday. Let's watch the video. MyQ Chamberlain Smart Garage Control. Now that houses are automated inside and cameras watch the outside, it's time for the garage to join the 21st century. Modern belt drives made of long-lasting metal-infused rubber or polyurethane have made the doors themselves whisper quiet, and some units allow in-garage delivery such as Amazon Key, while others are getting embedded video cameras for a visual check on who's in and who's out of the garage. MyQ Smart Garage HD. When you're not at home and want to make sure you didn't leave the garage door open or nobody's snooping around, the Internet of Things can come to your rescue via a garage camera. Chamberlain's MyQ Smart Garage Cam works similar to more generalized household cameras. It can work alone, interfacing with your smartphone, or add live or recorded video and motion notifications to any MyQ connected garage door openers. A 1/3 off. This Black Friday deal is a good value. Chamberlain B6753T Smart Garage Door Opener. Smart garage door openers combine conventional convenience with modern technology for homeowners who want extra protection for themselves and their homes. Chamberlain's Secure View Video Smart Garage Door Opener is constructed of reinforced steel for extra durability and designed to minimize noise from adjacent rooms. Its built-in motion-activated camera captures a wide range of activity inside the garage when activated and can stream it to the smartphone when the MyQ app is set for real-time notifications. Lyle 19860 Tire Deflator. When venturing over sand or loose terrain, off-roaders often partially deflate their tires. But with modern tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS, sometimes it pays to have specialized valve stem equipment to make this process and reinflation easier. These deflators work with existing TPMS equipment and are both durable and cost-effective. GSPSC and Silver Tire Inflator Heavy-Duty Portable tire inflators, also known as tire air pumps, provide car owners with quick, easy access to tire inflation year-round. The Vi-Air GSPSC and heavy-duty model was rated our best inflator for all types of tires on our Best Tire Inflators for 2021 list, thanks to its ability to handle small and large tires, including those on trucks and RV. One of its main downsides is its relatively high cost, which makes this Black Friday deal. If your car is like your friend, then accessories are a must to make it handy and protect your car perfectly. So, this is our accessories list for you. Go and pick yours. Thanks for watching.